What if every football match became more exciting than ever before? What if you could put your football knowledge to the test, make predictions in real time, and earn rewards while watching your favorite teams compete? Well, that's exactly what cross prediction is bringing to football fans around the world. Football season is once again uniting millions of fans globally, and now cross prediction is transforming that passion into an interactive experience where your predictions matter. Even better, the new Predict Global Football Unreal on Cross campaign is now live on Crosswave, giving creators and users the opportunity to participate and compete for a massive 100,000 cross reward pool. In today's video, we'll explore how cross prediction works, how you can predict football matches, participate in fast-paced BTC markets, claim your cross rewards, and even use CrossForge to maximize your experience. So if you're ready to take your football fandom to the next level, let's dive right in. Segment 1. What is cross prediction? Cross prediction is a prediction market platform built within the Cross ecosystem by CrossDefi. It allows users to participate in prediction-based events and markets using a simple and engaging interface. Unlike traditional sports viewing, cross prediction lets users actively engage with matches and market events by making predictions on outcomes. The platform combines entertainment, strategy, and blockchain technology into one seamless experience. Whether you're a football expert, crypto enthusiast, or complete beginner, cross prediction provides a simple way to participate. Segment 2. Football prediction markets. Football prediction markets are the heart of this campaign. With global football competitions attracting attention from every corner of the world, cross prediction allows users to participate in prediction markets centered around live and upcoming football matches. Here's how it works. You select a match. You analyze the available prediction market. You choose the outcome you believe will happen. Then you wait for the final result. A wider excitement builds throughout the match as every goal, save, and critical moment impacts the outcome. What makes these prediction markets particularly engaging is the real-time connection between football action and user participation. Every match becomes more than just a game, it's an experience. Segment 3. Live match prediction experience. Visual, creator making predictions before kickoff. Narrator, one of the best content opportunities for creators is documenting the complete prediction journey. Imagine predicting a match before kickoff. You explain your reasoning to viewers. The match begins. The tension builds, every goal changes the atmosphere, then finally the result arrives. Whether you win or lose, authentic reactions create entertaining and educational content. Audiences love seeing real decision-making processes and genuine emotions. This transparency helps new users understand how prediction markets work while making the content far more engaging than scripted demonstrations. Segment for BTC 1 minute up/down. Markets visual BTC chart moving in real time. Narrator, if football isn't moving fast enough for you, cross prediction also offers BTC 1 minute up/down markets. These markets are simple, quick, and incredibly engaging. The concept is straightforward. You predict whether Bitcoin's price will move up or down during the next 1 minute interval. That's it. Each round lasts only 60 seconds, creating a fast-paced experience that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. For content creators, these BTC prediction sessions can be highly entertaining because every minute delivers a new result. The quick turnaround creates suspense, excitement, and plenty of opportunities for real-time reactions. Segment 5. Claiming dollar cross rewards for new users entering the ecosystem. Claiming cross rewards is one of the most important first steps. Many people discover prediction markets for the first time through campaigns like this. That's why beginner-friendly tutorials are incredibly valuable. Showing viewers exactly how to claim their cross rewards helps eliminate confusion and gives them confidence to begin participating. Educational content consistently performs well because it helps transform curious viewers into active users. Segment 6. Selling on CrossForge visual CrossForge interface demonstration. Narrator, the experience doesn't stop after making predictions. CrossForge adds another important layer to the ecosystem. Forge allows users to manage and sell within the broader Cross ecosystem, helping complete the full user journey. For creators, step-by-step Forge walkthroughs can provide tremendous value. Many viewers may understand prediction markets but still need guidance on what happens next. By explaining how Forge works and how it fits into the overall ecosystem, creators can help their audiences unlock the full Cross experience. Segment 7. Why this campaign matters. Visual reward pool graphics showing 100,000 Cross. Narrator, one of the biggest reasons to pay attention to this campaign is the enormous 100,000 cross reward pool available to participants. Creators who begin early have a significant opportunity to establish themselves within the growing cross community. The campaign offers multiple content angles: football predictions, match analysis, BTC up and down sessions, beginner tutorials, force walkthroughs. This variety allows creators to build engaging content while helping educate new users about the platform. So there you have it. Cross Prediction is bringing together football, prediction markets, blockchain technology, and creator opportunities into one exciting ecosystem. Whether you're interested in predicting global football matches, testing your skills in BTC 1 minute up/down markets, claiming cross rewards, or learning how Cross Forge works, there's something here for everyone. And with a massive 100,000 cross reward pool available through the campaign, now is the perfect time to get involved. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future updates, tutorials, and opportunities from the Cross ecosystem. Drop a comment below and let us know which football match would you predict first. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep predicting, keep learning, and keep making waves with Course. See you in the next video.